So 1 month ago, we set a challenge for ourselves, and that is called Project Me. She's unlocking my potential as a average guy. And I made a first challenge. And that is starting tomorrow. Gagawin natin yung 30 days of monk mode challenge. And we improve a lot after that challenge. And if you are interested, you can see on my pin post, on my profile. And makikita mo dun kung ano nga ba yung improve ko after the challenge. And so after the challenge, I rest for 10 days. And ginawa ko siyang cheat day and kumain lang ng kung ano-ano foods na unhealthy or mataas na sugar. Kaya ang nangyari, naging fuck up yung mukha natin. At that 10 days, I've been thinking kung ano ang next project natin. And napag-isipan ko na nasa physical pa naman tayo. And na-improve ko naman na yung physique ko or yung katawan ko. So, ang napag-isipan kong next challenge is improve yung face natin. She's sobrang fuck up na din. So, ang point ko dito sa challenge na to is i-improve siya ng konti. Because I know na I'm totally cooked na. And wala namang pagbabago sa mukha natin. Gagawin lang natin is magde-deload. Then, tatanggalin yung mga pimples sa mukha natin. Ewan ko kung kailan ko i-start. Maybe bukas or next week. Alright, so yun. See you guys. Bye-bye.